Welcome to Beak and Barrel. Start ye
Welcome,
voyage.
scoundrels, to the Beak and Barrel. It's our buccaneer host, Mary, Captain Merry, that is. She's a daring rum smuggler who opened this tavern as a welcoming haven for all pirate kind. A pirate foot. That be a pirate foot. Anchor chandelier. This chandelier is in the shape of an anchor. It's Rummy. You found Mary's trusted companion and first mate, Rummy. Now, as the tavern's quartermaster, he keeps an eye on the place from his roost above the bar.
My, I'm seeing quite a fine bit of gold and jewels out there. Remember, no pilfering in the tavern now.
Enchanted rum bottle.
Ahoy, mateys! Good to see you. Haha, that bewitched bottle was a gift to the captain from a powerful enchantress. She promised no pirate would go thirsty in this here tavern so long as that there enchanted bottle stayed full.
Where to next? The brig. It still bears the bars of a holding cell. Where to next? Mermaid window. Aye, isn't she beautiful? You discovered the mermaid windows. Salvaged from the wreckage of an infamous pirate ship, these windows hold a mysterious beauty. Where to next? Ship's bell. Rumor has it this is the bell from Captain Red's first ship. You see, some say that Captain Red and Captain Merry are close friends, or perhaps fierce rivals. The sleeping cat. Like Rummy, Cat was also a companion aboard Captain Merry's ship, but has now retired to the tavern. And Cat is still groaning meows after Rummy's bad jokes. Where to next? Nothing to explore here. Captain's booths. The captain's booths are designated places of honor for our most distinguished pirate guests. Aye, matey, yet again you have an eye for the details. If the infamous Captain Jack Sparrow paid a visit to this tavern, this is where he'd sit. Where to next? Ye found 20 gold coins. We're all done here. We're all done here. Ships and bottles. What a delightful treasure you found. 5 ships and glass bottles. We pirates like to say that these ships represent pirates from every corner of the world, banding together in piratehood. Where to next? The gaming parlor. A private room where pirates... Nothing to explore here. A private room where pirates can partake in their favorite games of skill and chats. What's that, eh? Blimey! It's a remnant from a fearsome beast of the deep! You never know what you might run into while fraternizing with a pirate crew. Ah, you even locked the refreshing libation. Go to the bar to pick up your beverage.
Well, shiver me timbers. You've completed the quest and unlocked some seaworthy grog and grub fit for a pirate captain.
Now, you must be off on your next journey, but your invitation awaits to come back. It's a pirate's life for you and me. Drink up, me hearties. Yo-ho!